Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and this time is going to be car camping here at Ahrax of Mellieha. It's a very beautiful place to come and relaxing. Till now my friends didn't come, but it's better so I can start this vlog more quietly. Keep in mind that here there are 4 campsites. Today here is Ahrax of Ramel, then there is Ahrax of Madonna, Ahrax of Mellieha and O.R.C.A. Normally O.R.C.A. When the other 3 are closed due to hunting, you have to go there, but I don't like it. So let's start by starting to build up camp here. Please keep in mind that to come here you need a permit from the local council, which will go in more details. I suggest when you go camping you start by checking the weather report. First of all, you see how bad the weather is going to be, and secondly the wind, if it's going to be too strong for your tent, for your taste, and then you see from where the wind is coming. So today the wind is coming somewhere from here, so we are a little bit sheltered. Plus check the size of your tent. For example, if you have a big tent you cannot fit it in this place here, and even the tilt of the ground, because you cannot sleep with your head down. Another thing to consider, if you are like in a valley, if it will rain, will the camp be flooded? Here the water is going to flow down this side. I'm going to start preparing my things. These are my packs. These are not the lightweight ones, but for here are fine. And we start by putting on the ground sheet. The ground sheet is a piece of same material like the tent, which will prevent any mud or stuff sticking to the under. So when you have to clean, you only clean this. Plus protects from water. So let's start. Since this is a double wall tent, now I have to install the inner part. My tent is idiot proof, so I have gray with gray and yellow with yellow. This is the Diker Wall UL2, a very lightweight tent for trekking. Now I have to put the poles up. It's very simple, this part. Another plus of this tent, you can see that here is silver and here is gold. So the gold go to the gold strips with the gray strips. So we start from the back. Now we can start from the back. Now here and start putting the clips up. Now I have to stake the corners out. And like this the inner tent is ready. Now I just have to put the fly on top of everything and stake everything out, and it will be ready. Mostly this is to prevent condensation from the outer shell reaching the inside, and for waterproofing and windproofing. It's as I told you before, the clips, gray goes with gray and yellow goes with yellow. Now it's time to prepare everything so it will be ready. So I have my mattress, which is an outdoorsman, something. It's a little bit cheap, but it's good. Then I have the Aegis Max. Temperature today should go to a minimum of 9, so this is about 10. So I am there, but I have another sleeping bag in the car just in case. But it's better to test it like this, and I have my pillow. So let's inflate this one. Close here. This, we put this one here. And if you have down sleeping bags, remember that you have to open it up early so they can loft up. Loft up means they can fluff up again, because that's where the warmth they come from. It's my Aegis Max. It's very small and very lightweight. Now it's all crushed up, and even when you store these bags, store them in their other bag so they stay always loft up. Like this, and here, like this. Last thing I have to do, inflate. This is my Trekology pillow. It's very light and it's very comfortable as well. And an extra has this strap, so it does not go everywhere when I sleep. This is done. Now what I have to do is put this strap around the mattress like this, and like this I'm ready. Another thing to consider, if you don't like bugs like me, when you're ready, close everything up so you don't have problems. This area, this is zone C, and it's called L-Ahrax of Mellieha. This is the area. Here there is here one can find the road. It's parallel here, and here is the area. The trouble over there is the limit of this space, and all here one can camp. It's a beautiful area. May I remind you that here one cannot do any campfires or barbecue with charcoal. This is the area. There's plenty of trees. The floor is soil. It can be sheltered by the wind, especially northwest. Will be from that area there, and it's sheltered. And here, what you would expect from this side. I will take a little bit around. Pity that some people leave their rubbish here. I know many organizations do a lot of cleanings here, and O.R.C.A makes a lot of material and try to help others realize how to safeguard this place, especially not to damage, how to reduce waste. There's a lot of I think 8 good points one can see and learn. This is all the campground. Remember, to camp here you need a permit from the local council. F.K.N.K is taking care of this area, and if I'm not wrong, these were planted by the F.K.N.K. And now we are going next to the road. This area is all camping ground. Look how nice it is. Lot of trees, but look, some people leave this mess as well, which is not good. Once I suggested that in places like this, maybe they can make like abroad, they make the metal containers off the ground. For example, in this area you have only 6 not under trees, and one can make a bonfire. Remember that during hunting seasons no permits will be issued. To this side here there is a small parking area as well, and the people can park their cars here. I will be walking to the car and show you the other 3 campsites that they are available here. Now I have reached Ahrax Tattunara. We are exactly by the road here. From what I can get from the local council map, the area starts from here, goes all the way there, and continues all the way up there. So let's have a look here. Plenty of trees. I have to say this is not sheltered like Ahrax Mellieha. It's less sheltered here because there's less trees. It's a very beautiful area as well. On that side there are the cliffs, and one hand have some beautiful views of the sea. I can show you as well. But this is the type of terrain, it's soil as well, with trees. Take care making fires here, because you cannot do any bonfires or charcoal barbecues, only gas barbecues here. This is the view one can get from this area. Look how beautiful it is. When I come with Sharon, this is our favorite spot. Beautiful here, all green area. Now let's go to visit the other campsites. Here we arrived in Zone A. which is L-Ahrax tal-Madonna. I never camped here, so I don't know. Remember that all these campsites are wild campsites, so there are no showers, no toilets, no electricity, so you have to be prepared for everything. Unfortunately, in Malta, we find people like this. They decided to throw their sofa here. It looks, and most of all, look, people who leave their rubbish behind. It's really, really a pity. This side is more rugged than the others. I don't think many people come to camp in here. I advise you to go to the O.R.C.A website, where one can learn some things to better safeguard this area. I'm mentioning a lot O.R.C.A. By the way, it's called O.R.C.A Malta. You can find them on Facebook. And when I have problems with laws, with where I can go, I just ask them, and they always have been super helpful with me. O.R.C.A is outdoor recreational camping association. And they try to safeguard people like me who like camping and safeguard the environment, so everybody can come here at their time. They are working as well with F.K.N.K to make agreements on this area, and it looks like both parties are working good with each other. So let's hope for the best, because Malta is small and we don't have a lot of places where one can go. So let's go to the new site, which is now we have to go to O.R.C.A. As I have told you previously, this is O.R.C.A. It's actually a parking area, nothing more. And when the other 3 zones are closed, one can come and camp here. But as you can imagine, people like me who like outdoors, to come here and camp in a parking area, I think I will not come. Much I think, it's not my... I will not enjoy myself here. Look, here is this nearly closed, not closed, there's some caravans, but this is the area, is O.R.C.A. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, especially if you think of coming to one of those camping zones. I will put a lot of information in the video, hopefully, and in the description, where to apply for permits, O.R.C.A site, F.K.N.K site, so you can check your things as well. And from this, now what I have to do, I can come back and finish the day, hopefully today, with a good barbecue. So until next time, bye bye. We have Base in here cooking us some burgers. I'm going to include you to get more views, Base. And these are the other guys. Set up here and a lot of noise. Like this is my tent. These are the others. No, burger and potato, look. It's ready here. And now I'm going to eat.